Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a mother and daughter to celebrate Mother's Day. So let's get started. To draw this sweet drawing for Mother's Day, let's first start with drawing the daughter. So I'm going to come right here and draw your basic bottom of a U. So come right across, nice and wide, say about right here. And we'll just go ahead and connect at the bottom. There. So at the bottom of the U, and then from there I'm going to work on the eyes. So in this area right here, I'll just draw over a curve. So I'm making this nice and simple. So it's just a curve for the eyes, and I can flick it out a little bit. And same thing right on this side as well. So I'm trying to simplify everything that I can because we're drawing two people, right? Okay, and then a curve right here, a thinner curve for the brow, over the eye, same thing there, and then a sweet smile, of course, cap it off, there. Okay, so then we can come to the side. We're going to draw her ears, right where her eyes are. Start with a curve. We're going to draw two curves inside for some detail, and same thing over here. Then from there, we're going to work on her hair. So just imagine this as an oval. So about right here, parting on the side, I'll go ahead and draw a curve that comes down to that area. Maybe a little strand come up and then bring it down to that part right there. And then we can go up. So imagine this going up about right here. Curve it up and bring it down right where her ears are, and this part goes up and to where her ears are. You can draw a little curve right here to connect it. Okay, so then from there we're just going to bring this down so we know there's going to be hair coming down here and here. Now that we have this in, let's work on the mom. So we know where the daughter's head is going to be. We want to put mom's head right over her head. So in this area, pretty close to her hair right here, we want to draw a bottom of a U as well. So just, let's say about right here. I'm just going to kind of do about right here and about right here. So I'm just giving myself 2 points so I kind of know where I want to go. It's easier for me to see. And I'll just draw bottom of a U as well for mom. Nice and wide as well. And slightly bigger too, of course. And connect. There. So your goal is just to make sure it's pretty close to her head and next to her. Okay, I mean right over her, kind of in the center. Okay, so then from there, let's come in here and let's put a big circle here for her eyes next to the edge. So just like every Draw So Cute girl that I draw. Draw a big circle, come across, same thing. There. And then let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if it's much easier, definitely start off with a pencil first before you go in there to darken it with a Sharpie. Just so that you can get this head part a little bit more correct over her head, in case. Because we have to draw their arms kind of linked together, so that's why it's kind of important that we don't draw mom too far away. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, let's come over here and just spruce it up a little bit. Just 2 simple lashes for mom. Right there. Let's give her a brow. So on top, let's draw a soft arc over her eye. Same thing here. Soft arc, and of course a sweet smile. So say about right here. Cap it off. There. Okay, so for mom, same thing. Let's come to her where her eyes are, and we're going to draw her ears. And same thing over here. So like I said, I'm totally simplifying everything, the hairstyle, everything, just to make it easier to draw. So once again, so say about right here. But you draw it according to how your mom looks, of course. And let's bring this down right here. You can change it up. Okay, so once again, same thing. So about right here, pop it up. Bring it down. This part goes up. And comes right where her ears are. And I'll just bring this in. There. And then for some details, you just go ahead and connect that. And then from there, okay, so here comes the part where we're going to draw mom. Let's give her a little neck right here in the center. And we're going to draw her shoulders just like usual. Shoulders, imagine it's coming through. And let's give her a little neckline right here. Just have her wearing a little blouse, so give her a little collar. There. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to imagine her armpits will be about right here. I'm going to draw a curve that's going to come across. So let's bring this arm down. We're going to start to draw her sleeve. Now, before I finish that, let's come back to the daughter. So let's come right here, just like mom, give her a little neck and shoulders and shoulders. So I'm going to come out. And the reason I'm not drawing her shoulder yet is because I have to connect their hands. So now that I know where her shoulder is, let's bring mom's hand all the way down. So I want her hand to be right here. So hopefully this is not too complicated, but I want to make sure her hand is in this area. So I'm going to bring this down, the long sleeves. I'll connect it, add a little cuff. However I can to elongate it. And then put in a hand right here. So a thumb and simple hands and curve. Just two lines inside. There. Mom has really long hands, right? Okay, so then from there, we can finish off her shoulders. And let's give her a collar. It's okay if her hand's extra long. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down. And we're going to imagine her armpits are about right here. So let's bring this down. And the other side would be about right here. Now to work on this sleeve, so come about right here. I'm going to bring this down a little bit more because I want to angle her hand right into here. So just draw a little sleeve right here, cut it off. It down, and we're going to angle her hand. So right where mom's hand is, I'm going to draw a slight angle and bring it down right there. Bring it down so it's slightly wider, and then right here, little elbow and connect. That's the goal right there. So that is the toughest part right here, the trickiest part. And you can even pop out her finger if you like, or not, we'll see. I think that looks okay, right? With a little finger popping out. And now the hardest part is done. We can go ahead and finish the rest of the drawing. So about right here is where her other sleeve's gonna be, just like the other side. And let's finish her dress. So once again, I'm just giving her a very simple little dress, about right there. and connect. Draw some details here. Okay, and then her other hand will be about right here, right next to her, and I'll bring it down and curve in. From there, let's work on her legs. So right in the center, so about right here and here. I'm going to bring down a slight angle line. And right here. Just angle it and angle it. And right here, I'm just going to bring this out, curve it out, and connect. So same thing here. There. And then for some details, you can come right here with a curve and another curve. So same thing, curve and then a bigger curve for her shoes. And then now we can finally draw Mom. Let's finish her up. So armpit area, so come about right here. We're just going to angle, give her a little simple top. So about right there. Go ahead and bring it across. Give it some detail maybe right here. And then this being her center, so about right here, I'll give a slight angle line. We're going to start to draw her pants. So 2 angle lines out, about right here. And let's bring this all the way down. So we need to bring it all the way down to her. So Mom might have really short legs or really long legs, depending on how tall you make the daughter. Okay, so let's bring this down about right there. I'll stop and connect. And same thing here. So say about right here. And connect. And then for her feet, just nice and simple. Just pop it out, curve. And connect. Sole top area right there. And same thing on this side. And a curve there. Okay, so then let's finish the hair for the girl. Come out. Imagine it coming through, so about right here. And same thing here. And bring it in. And that is the main part. So we can add some details. So let's come right here, maybe a little line. A pocket, of course, a heart right here for Mom. I almost forgot. I haven't even finished Mom's hair. So let's come over here. And I won't make it too long. So right here, just curve it in. And then, of course, let's give the girl a heart here as well. And let's see if I'm missing anything else. I think that's pretty much it, except I will put a big heart right here. There, now it's all done, and I really hope I inspired you to draw this mother and daughter drawing, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.